Guys, Brian back here with their Kaspa update. Alright, Kaspa did a retest there. Things are looking fine with that. Bitcoin's looking strong for sure. Let's move in here. Alright, I wanted to talk to you guys about this this KS3L model that they're coming out with here. That Kaspa miner, that KS3, the potential $3,000 a day. The thing seems to be real. Okay, now these numbers, it's kind of crazy. Okay, electricity only $275 a month, $76,000 a month. All right, why these numbers just, I don't know, this isn't making a lot of sense to me. Why would they be selling a $50,000 miner like that when you get back $76,000 a month? I don't know. I can't wait to see the reviews on this. You know, I've been trying to look some up. Can't really find much as far as people getting them yet and putting out any reviews. So I'll be looking for that. That's for sure. All right. I wanted to show you guys this also. Look at these. Okay, this is the crypto bubbles. This is for the day out there. You can see a lot of green out there. The week, not so much. A lot of red. Okay, but wait till you see this. Look at that. That's a good month in crypto. That's a very good month. You know, 23, 15, 14. Look at Kaspa, 65. So, but wait till wait. Are you ready? Buckle up. Okay. Here it comes. Look at this. 11,068%. That is incredible. That's what, 110x. So that's pretty good. I think I'd be pretty happy with that. And I just thought I'd bring it up to you guys. Me and my wife were talking. If you guys want to at all, put my Kaspa wallet address in the video description there. Any donations or anything like that are going to come back to the community. We're trying to think of maybe get some Kaspa t-shirts made up and do some giveaways and stuff like that. Would be pretty cool. So if any of you guys feel like it at all, don't feel obligated, please. Just, if it's something you're into or something, I'm just trying to find ways to give back to you guys. You guys are fantastic. I thought something like that would be pretty neat. So I'll put it in there. We'll try it out and see how it goes. But let's move on here. All right. We don't want Kaspa first. We got to show these Bitcoin dominance. Okay. This thing here looks like it's possibly, let's widen this out so you guys can see this. Alright, we came up, hit that 702 right there on the dot. We're going to zoom in a little bit tighter. Alright, so if we go out to the daily, alright, you can see that. Look at that. That is perfect. We don't want it to go higher than that. Okay, that 702 is very pivotal, right? The reason is, obviously, we would have an ABC coming in here for this thing. It broke the support, came back, retested it now as a resistance, all right? And that would definitely look like an A, a B. I'm going to measure this out here. Right there, not too shabby. Yep. But that would do it. An ABC thing would come down to right about 50.45%. Be a pretty decent drop, and as it's dropping, you would see the altcoins starting to really take off. So definitely be keeping an eye on that. Bitcoin itself looks great. This thing looks fantastic. It broke out of this wedge pattern. You can see the wedge right here. Ended up breaking out of it. The measured move. Okay, if we put the wedge in here, you can see right there it lines up perfect. Bring it over here to the breakout. We'll take it right up to that line again. $31,550. We break that, and it's going to get really fun. All right, so keeping an eye on that. We got Bitcoin on the daily. See the RSI. Look at that, beautiful. The weekly, same picture. You know, it's still bullish at 59 to 54. So got the weekly and the daily looking great. And also the monthly, you know, the monthly still heading up, it's at 93 and an 80. So Bitcoin is looking really good right now. We need that breakthrough, you know. That would definitely help. Wait till you see this DXY. Look at this thing. Starting to roll over. Right, let's get that out of the way here. It's more on the monthly. Let's put it on the daily. Alright. Zoom out here. I just did a video a little bit ago. You're expecting this thing to back test this now as a resistance and start rolling over. Alright, so definitely expect that this thing to head down further. Let's put a Fibonacci on here and see if anything. Oh boy, so close. Wow, that looks like a 702 right there. Is that what this is? An ABC? Yeah, let's pull this down. See what kind of. Wow, isn't that something? That's what it looks like to me, guys. Alright, looks like an A, B, C right down here. So I'll be keeping an eye on that too. We definitely hit that 702. Alright, I am just so keyed into that 702 Fibonacci area. You know, when something hits it there, I immediately go for the ABC. So I'll be keeping a close eye on this thing, but looks like it could be coming down to that 100.8 area, somewhere right down there. Alright, so let's move on down through here. I want to real quickly look at these two. This is the total market cap of crypto, respecting that trend line, and getting a nice bounce here. The same thing with this is the total market cap excluding Bitcoin. You can see it getting a nice bounce over here off support and starting to head up here. Okay, let's take a look at Kaspa here. That's why we're here. Let's get into this chart. First off, I want to show you guys something here. Okay, we're going to take this whole thing and see where we're at. Right at the 618. Okay, then we got rejected over. This thing is trying to make a pump again here. Now the measured move for this wedge, right, if we go up here and put that in there, that is the measured move, would be up right around the 786. Okay, so we'll be keeping an eye on that. That is up at 0.034365, and we'll be definitely keeping an eye on that. But looks like this thing got a nice bounce right down here. Okay, let me look at my other. There we go. I got my wedge in this one. I apologize. Nice bounce right off the wedge here. Okay, so we got the breakout, got the retest, and now this thing is starting to go. Alright, so where's it at as far as 702 here? Or beautiful. Hit that 786 already, and it's working its way out. Now what this thing ended up doing here, boy, isn't it amazing, them fakeouts to the bottom? It's just crazy how that works out every time like that. Let's take a measured move up here. Look at that. Came right down to that 618 area, and you got a beautiful bounce out of here. So Kaspa is looking fundamentally fine. Alright, the 8-hour RSI is going down. 12-hour is headed down. The daily, you know, it's at 51 to 43. It's only halfway up. The weekly, geez, it's about a quarter of the way up. It's bullish. And what do we got with the 8 and the 4? 8 hours heading down, and the 4-hour is heading up. Right, so I would be expecting, you know, if you zoom in on this thing, let's get rid of all this stuff first. Let's just move it all. Alright, what I want to show you here, you know, 4-hour, yeah. Alright, if we take a trend-based fib here. Perfect. Yeah. This could be pulled down just a hair more. There we go. So perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Then have an ABC up in here. We have a pullback right here. Where'd that pullback come to? That move there. Look at that. Beautifully, right to that 618 and getting a bounce right out of here. So this thing is looking fine, absolutely good. You know, even if you took a look at this, I'm going to be keeping track of that with the trend line. Put a trend line on that thing, and I will be watching that. Obviously, like a hawk. I love this coin. I'm always checking out where it's at and everything like that. And I couldn't find any ABC up in here. Okay, usually after that 5 wave is up. Okay, we come to that 702 right there, but if we measure this out, you know, it only comes down to here. This thing dropped the whole way down here. Okay, so this could have been an ABC in here, an extended C wave. So we'll just have to find out, but that looks like what that could have been it right there. A, B, and an extended C wave here. Alright, so now we should be starting another 5 up here. So definitely be keeping an eye on this. Alright, so thank you so much guys for watching the video. We'll wait till we get some more price action with this move here, but from here over, everything is done. Okay, we got our 5 waves up, we got our ABC. Now we're starting looking for another 5 waves up. So I get a little bit of a pullback here. You can see there, nothing major. You know, keep an eye on this trend line. Should pull it down a little bit up here, something like that. Alright, so alright guys, thank you so very much for watching my videos. I very much appreciate it, and hopefully tomorrow we'll have a nice bounce out of here to talk about. So thanks a lot guys, and I'll talk to you soon.